Touchscreen Industrial RFID Label Printer Consumables Installation. Step 1. Preparing the media core. Postex Touchscreen Industrial RFID Label Printer features a 1.5-inch and 3-inch adaptive media core. The factory defaults to the 3-inch media core. To switch to the 1.5-inch media core, remove the positioning screw with the hex screwdriver and pull off the 3-inch media core. Please be careful not to lose the smaller parts. Step 2. Installing media. Raise the printhead. Push the media onto the media core. Loosen the positioning screw to release the media core guide. Move the media core guide until it gently rests against the media. Feed the media underneath the media guide rod and between the media sensors. Pull the label through. Push the media guides until it gently rests against the media. Step 3. Installing ribbons. Please verify the type of ribbon being used. Identify the ribbon path depending on the kind of ribbon. Push the ribbon onto the ribbon core on the ribbon supply end. Install the empty ribbon core on the ribbon take-up end. Feed the ribbon underneath the ribbon guide rod and through the printhead module. Attach the ribbon to the empty ribbon core on the ribbon take-up end. Rotate the gears on the ribbon take-up end to ensure proper tension across the ribbon. Lower the printhead. Step 4. Adjusting the media sensor. Loosen the positional screw on the media sensor. Move the media sensor until the arrow on the media sensor is in line with the gap on the label. After the positioning is correct, tighten the screw to secure its position. For the different types of labels, please move the media sensor to the appropriate positions as shown. If the positional mark is on the back side of the printer, please use the bottom reflective sensor. Step 5. Calibrating the media sensor and the RFID sensors. With the printer in standby mode, press and hold the feed button to perform the media calibration sequence. When the printer is finished with the calibration, the consumable installation is complete. Thank you for watching. Be sure to follow us for more tips on your Postex devices.